Hello everyone, Bob's here again with another build order video. We are going with nature again here, and this is going to be a slight alteration on the previous build I showed you, which was the sort of the basic nature vanilla tried and true build. So this is a very similar build, except we're going to sacrifice a little bit of economy to get our looter out faster, and what that's going to allow us to do is get an earlier scout, and if we're lucky, get some harass done with that looter. Looters are very good at killing workers, so depending on what kind of an opening our opponent's doing, we might be able to punish him with that early looter. Now, we've done the same thing we did before. We sent our tree herd to wood, sent the sapling automatically to mine, built an artisan, all at the beginning there. Now the artisan is finished. We've got another tree herd coming, we started building after that first artisan. Now, we want to build our Hall of Warriors as early as possible, so it's tempting to build it once we have 100 gold, but we're actually going to wait. So our sapling here is going to build it, but we're actually going to wait one more trip of gold before we build that, and the reason is that it takes a little bit longer for our farm, or our conservatory, excuse me, to build. There goes our sapling and gold. And then we're going to build another artisan here. And because of the length of time it takes to build the conservatory, if you build this Hall of Warriors any earlier, you're going to get supply blocked, and it's not really going to do you any good. Now, we actually used an elven artisan here to build this conservatory. Basically, instead of making a third tree herd, we're now filling up our mine with artisans. This artisan's obviously going to go right back into gold. And then as soon as this Hall of Warriors finishes, we're going to build our looter. So we're starting a looter here at about 120. We now have a full mine. We're building one extra artisan, because this is going to be our artisan who's going to build our expansion. At this point, we kind of just hoard up some resources. Now we could build a tree herd here as another option if we want to get our lumber economy going. That's going to delay our expansion a little bit, but it's going to put your lumber economy in a better spot. So we got our looter coming out, and then we're going to be able to expand right behind it, and there it goes. And now we can kind of send our looter out to go scout. And again, if we're lucky, we can get some harass done. So we've got a fast looter here, and that's essentially the crux of this build. Now from here, we've got a couple options depending on what our looter sees. We can pivot into aggression with a base behind it. We can like start pumping out some archers, maybe send them over, or we can just kind of try and get in their base with this looter, do some damage, while we sort of macro up here and go sort of an economy route. Now, I don't recommend going a fast Spellbringer with this build, because you're going to want to have at least 3 tree herds going wood a lot of the time, and if you build a Spellbringer, you're going to only have 1 tree herd here left, so... I think the next thing here to build is the tree herd, and there he is. And then after that, you kind of get your pick of the litter. So again, this puts you in a more aggressive position than the previous build, getting this early looter out. But it sort of has that detriment of we're down one dendroid tree herd. So our tech's going to be a little bit slower probably. So. But yeah, that being said, this is certainly a viable build. I like to go this build sometimes. It's kind of a nice way to sort of surprise your opponent early without having to sacrifice too much of your economy. So yeah, this is the fast looter build. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.